Hey everybody, my name is Ken Carlson. I'm the owner of Karma Carpet Cleaning. So I've been cleaning carpets since I was a kid. This is actually a family business. When I was in high school, I would help my uncle out cleaning carpets, and then I moved to Santa Barbara for college, went to UCSB, and while I was in Santa Barbara, I managed a carpet cleaning business up there. And then years later, I moved down to the South Bay, Manhattan Beach, and started Karma Carpet Cleaning. So it's been about 15 years or so. Named the business Karma Carpet Cleaning not only because of all the green chemicals that we use, but it's also our philosophy for how we do business. We're not like the typical Los Angeles carpet cleaner that bait and switches, advertises one price and shows up to your house and gives you another one. We have flat rates per room. There's never like a haggle or a hassle or an upsell or any type of hard selling to our customers. And I think that's probably why we're top rated. This is our hot water extraction process. We're basically spraying 500 PSI of hot chemicals into the rug and then sucking it out with a vacuum cleaner basically that's hooked to an 8-cylinder engine, which helps with having really short dry times. A lot of companies take 8 hours to dry, we only take 4. My favorite type of work to do when it comes to carpet cleaning would definitely have to be commercial jobs. I like to think of the employees coming back to work and seeing the fresh carpets and being super stoked. I love what I do because I really like my customers. I really like meeting new people and learning about them and seeing how they live and talking to people. The other thing about carpet cleaning, it is so satisfying to scrub away dirt and grime off of someone's carpet and then have people be so happy when it's all done and they get to see how fresh their carpet looks. Where do I see Karma Carpet Cleaning in 10 years? I'm really happy with where we're at now. I'm really happy with being a top rated carpet cleaner in town. And I'm really happy with how much business we're doing. So I'm content. But if it grew, that'd be great.